Hi guys, it's your girl Mimi here, and I'm bringing you a simple and easy tutorial on how to apply false lashes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is pick the style of lashes that you want to use. I've chosen the Salon Perfect Clusters number 615. Next, you want to take your lashes and a pair of tweezers and measure out the length of your false lashes to your natural lashes. The next step is to apply a thin layer of lash glue to your lashes. Allow the lash glue to dry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Before applying your lashes, make sure that the glue is tacky and not wet. That's how you know you'll get the best hold. And the last step is applying the lashes. Use the tweezers to press your false lashes against your natural lashes. So here's some tips when applying false lashes. First, make sure you're using quality lashes. That's why I chose the Salon Perfect Clusters, because the band on them are very thin and it gives off a more natural look. Second, make sure that the glue is dry enough so that the lash stays on the first time that you apply it. If the lash moves just a little bit, you can risk getting lash glue on your eyeshadow and it'll ruin your whole look. And last, pushing your lashes together with your tweezers is a very, very important step because it provides maximum hold. However, be very, very careful not to poke yourself in the eye when doing this. I've added a little mascara to my bottom lashes and I'm ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me in this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.